We have lots of challenges to peace building in Cyprus. One of them is the intergenerational trauma that still hasn't been healed. Another one is a lack of trust between both communities.
The Mindful Leadership Program has helped me to take a step back and assess empathy, not just for other people who carry a lot of these wounds and trauma, but also for myself. Breathing exercises have helped me clear my mind, be still in order to be able to be a leader and a change maker.
It's given me the opportunity to take that time for myself, to cultivate skills that we've learned through breath work and meditation, which really give you that sense of stillness, calm, and mental clarity. All our actions depend on our internal state. So when we are really standing in a state of inner peace, that will mean that we take actions to lead to outer peace and peace in the world.
I really believe that this is a way. Through the lessons I learned through this training, if we spread this message, each person is important. Because if I find peace within me, then I can create a ripple effect. Each person can stand up and say, the feeling of hatred stops with me. We are one island. We are Cypriots. So let's join together. Let's come together and promote a peaceful and harmonious Cyprus. We can do it.